right, hey. Now, this is psyched. You gotta be psyched about this. Are you psyched? I'm psyched. We already got through the first part of the dressing stage on the motherboard. We installed a CPU. We already did it. Now we have to install the CPU fan. Now, what we have here, listen to me. I'm right here. I'm right here. I just like to do that. I want to make sure you're engaged and you're paying attention. I know. Here we have a premium air cooler. The air coolers have gotten so good over the last few years. They're just as good. I'm going to tell you right now. You go to Linus Tech Tips, you go to all those big people online, they'll say the same thing. The air coolers now, 2020, are just as good as any water cooler, in the most part. And one of the best ones is by Noctua. It's the NH-U12A. It is awesome. It is extremely good. It's very efficient. All the scores online say it is. This is the thing that you want to use. I was going to use a water cooler, but I don't want to do water coolers because there's too many things that can go wrong, even though they build them much better than they did 3 years ago. You have tubes that could break, you have the motor that could break, you have leakage, you have several other things. Here, it's primarily just a fan. It really is. But even then, you can have an indicator, it just shuts off, the fan goes. So let's open it up. Okay, so I'm gonna open the box. Okay, let's see what we have here. Nicely packaged. This is pretty good. Okay, NH-U12A. Let's see what's in this package right now. I'm gonna lift this up. Trying to stay in frame here for you. Oh. Okay, so we have some instruction manuals. Well, instruction manuals for AMD. These always come in handy. I suggest you just take a peek, but you know, I'm going to tell you what to do. We have instruction manual for Intel. Anything LGA115x, that's Intel, right here. And we have some more Intel stuff. Let's see what we have here. Now, I'm assuming, now I know for a fact that these are the brackets for the AMD, and that's what we're installing, the AMD 3950. So we're installing these brackets, 2 brackets, and it comes with some stands, depending on what color you like to have, whether a darker color or a white, depending on your case, and it comes with screws. So I'm assuming this one is the Intel one because it'll come with the back plate. Yeah, see that back plate right there? We don't have to worry about that. I'm not going to concern you with any of that stuff because that's Intel. But this also comes with the Legend. I'm going to put this down. I got to open this. Take me forever. This is the Legend right here. I'm gonna bring it up. I'm bring it up. This is the Legend. Oh, right here. This is their thermal paste. It is awesome. I'm talking about really good. It's the NTH1, the Noctua NTH1, some of the best paste around. Plus we have, we're going to be using this Y cable as well. Okay, so to reiterate, We have we have some stands and some screws. And we have 2 metal plates. And we have 2 metal plates. Okay? That's what we have now. I'm going to put this over here. And let's see what else we have. So we're taking out, the next step is, maybe I got to flip the box. There we go. Okay, we flip the box. We put this over here. I'm trying to get this out. Okay, wow. This is bigger than I thought it'd be. Much bigger than I thought it'd be. It's extremely big. So this is the fan. This is the NH-U12A fan. You can see it's built like a Mack truck. It's huge. This is the underneath of it. It's perfect, stellar. This is the side. And these fans are huge. I mean they're very big. Okay. So this thing is very big. It comes with 2 120 millimeter fans right here, one here, and one here. Let's see what this is. It has 2. So it comes with 2 120 millimeter fans, one here, and one here. These fans are the NF A12 fans. These are legendaries, all right? So there's 2 of them. They have 2 power connectors to the motherboard right here. Okay. And has an excellent heat dissipation system right here. You can see everything right here. And of course, a stellar clean plate on the bottom.